Be a walk around video, the 2025 Country Born CB16. So this has an electric awning. It's fully composite floors, sure step entry system, trailing arm suspension, plenty of storage here in the front. The ladder you'll see here in a minute is for the rear bunks. Tankless hot water heater, so you're never going to run out of hot water while you're camping. This is full solar, powered by the sun. So this has a dinette in to the left. This is actually a bunk bed that flips down over top of the dinette. The dinette slides together and makes another sleeping area. Now you can remove the bunk bed if in fact you don't need that type of sleeping arrangement. It is a wet bath, so there's the toilet and shower there. Also, this floor plan is kind of designed for people that may want to work remote. So it does have a little desk area here. Comes with this desk chair. Already has a TV mounted. Plenty of storage overhead. Bed in the rear. Plenty of storage down below. There's your refrigerator. Again, more storage. I mean, the storage on this unit is really deep. This is actually a closet area. Again, this is the 2025 Country Born CB16. Love the product line by Modern Buggy. The build quality is excellent. We always suggest that people go to the Modern Buggy owners group because the owners speak for themselves for the quality. They have a lot of great things to say about the Modern Buggy line. Give you a peek around the rear. It does come with a spare excuse me, rear jacks. Walk around. That is pass-through storage, so storage goes all the way through there. Big toolbox on the front. You have plenty of room to store. You have access on both sides of the toolbox. Country Born CB16 2025. You can find more information at 62sales.com.